Hello, everybody. Welcome to another class. As usual, you have here all the platform in which we can reach each other. In the class of today, we're going to talk about two different passives, okay? But first, let's remember a little bit what is our passive voice and what and why do we use it, okay? So as you can see here on your screen, we have that the passive voice is used to show interest in the person or object that experiences an action, rather than a person or object that performs the action. In other words, the most important thing or person becomes the subject of the sentence. Sometimes we use the passive voice because we don't know or don't want to express who performed the action or is not important as well, okay? For example, I noticed that a window has been left open. All the cookies have been eaten. My car has been stolen. Stolen. Do you know who did it? No. The passive voice in English is composed of two elements, the appropriate form of the verb to be plus your past participle. In here, the appropriate form of the verb to be, it depends if it's going to be in present, is, are, if it's in past, was, were, okay? In affirmative, the house was built in 1899. The houses were built in 1999. Negative, the house wasn't built in 1999. The houses weren't built in 1999. Interrogative, was the house built in 1899? Were these houses built in 1999? Negative or interrogative. Wasn't the house built in 1999? Weren't these houses built in 1999? Right? So in all of the examples that you see over here, we find the verb to be plus your past participle in different ways. So again, remember that in this structure, we put more or we put our attention in the action, right? The doer is not that important, right? We change that, okay? Good. For this structure, guys, remember that the one that you have to use always is your past participle, right? Remember that. That's the one that you have to pay attention on it. Other thing that you must remember, irregular verbs, they change. That's why you have to memorize them. You have to learn them, right? That's why in all of English books that you're going to find, you will find a list that is going to be very similar with this one. And also remember that the regular verbs, the simple past and the past participle are the same. Okay, just take that into consideration in order to have the grammar of this structure correct. Homework that you're going to have is this homework. I'm going to upload the link on Moodle, so it's going to be easier for you to get there and do it and actually check your answers, okay? For this exercise, I'm going to ask you to please, when you finish your exercise, take a picture and then send it to my mail, okay, or send it to WhatsApp, right? The part that I want you to take the picture to is after you have finished filling this information and when it says check answers. So there you can see which one were your mistakes, okay? Please again have them ready for our session, okay? So thank you very much. I'll be seeing you this Saturday. Keep practicing, keep safe, and take care. Bye-bye.